What's up guys, it's Daniel here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to go over the latest updates and progress of the second stimulus bill and the $1,200 stimulus check for Friday, December 18th. So if you're new to my channel, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. So as of today, December 18th, we've passed over 1.6 million deaths worldwide and over 317,000 deaths in the United States alone as a result of the pandemic, with over 75.4 million people worldwide having tested positive. Over 17.6 million of them have been from the United States. In the last 24 hours, the United States recorded 238,189 new cases. As time is running out for a stimulus bill to be approved before the current stopgap runs out on Friday at midnight, Mitch McConnell said that it is highly likely that they will continue talks over the weekend. Whilst speaking on the Senate floor on Friday, he said, "We're going to stay here, right here, until we are finished, even if that means working through the weekend, which is highly likely." Whilst talking about direct payments to individuals, he continued with, "The outline that I've been discussing with Democratic Leader Pelosi and Leader McCarthy would get another huge dose of bipartisan support out the door as fast as possible." House Majority Leader Steny Hoyer said that his chamber could possibly take up the bill by Friday, saying, "The last few items that need to be resolved, which are being discussed now. If we can get that done, I'd like to put it on the floor tomorrow, even if it's late tomorrow, into the evening hours. I can guarantee we'll get a deal done. I can't guarantee how soon it's going to be." As COVID cases continue to rise across America, Southern California has reported that availability of ICU beds has hit 0% on Thursday. Currently, there are approximately 1,000 people with COVID who have been placed in intensive care units, and it is forecast that up to 3,600 people will need an ICU bed by early January. The problem is that there is only 2,500 licensed ICU beds in LA County. Dr. Christina Gali, the county's director of health services, said there are simply not enough trained staff to care for the volume of patients that are projected to come and need care. Our hospitals are under siege, and our model shows no end in sight. Many hospitals have already broken nursing staffing ratios, and their staff are not necessarily getting either the breaks or rest that they're supposed to be getting. A travel order has been put in place in San Francisco starting on Friday at 12:01 a.m., which will require anyone that is visiting or returning to the city to quarantine for 10 days. Violation of the order is considered a misdemeanor. First responders, medical workers, and essential workers will be exempt from the order. The FDA is working to grant emergency use authorization of the Moderna vaccine. Dr. Stephen Hahn, the FDA commissioner, said in a statement following today's positive advisory committee meeting outcome regarding the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine, the US Food and Drug Administration has informed the sponsor that it will rapidly work towards finalization and issuance of an emergency use authorization. The agency has also notified the US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and Operation Warp Speed so they can execute their plans for timely vaccine distribution. Japan has reported a record number of new COVID cases on Thursday, reaching 3,214 new cases and 44 deaths. This brings the total cases in Japan to 190,950. In Australia, New South Wales has reported a small cluster of COVID cases for the first time since December 3rd, with 28 new cases in the past 2 days. Health officials believe it may have come from overseas. On Friday, the health department said New South Wales Health can now confirm the viral genome sequencing of the Avalon COVID-19 cluster does not match the virus strains seen in recent clusters in Australia. The virus is likely of overseas origin. The source of infection is still being investigated. On Thursday, French President Emmanuel Macron tested positive for COVID. He will go into self-isolation for a week and should be able to continue working. So that's just a quick update of what's going on at the moment. I will keep you all updated of any breaking news that comes out as soon as possible. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions at all, please leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Also, make sure to click the link below to get your 3 free stocks from WeBull valued at up to $1,600 when you open an account and deposit $100. And as always, please like, share and subscribe.